I am on the hunt for beautiful artificial plants. I want artificial plants that look as real as possible. I want to be able to put them in corners that are more shadowy so I don't have to worry about them dying, and it can make our space look more inviting, more green, improve the overall ambiance. So this is a Boston fern, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it shows up in the box and how you can make it look, and then we'll see how real it really looks. Let's go. Oh. Okay. I can tell you right now, I was not expecting to get 2 Boston ferns. I thought I was only getting 1, so that's on me. Now to start off with, I would say that the base is very obviously fake, which is fine, because this is what you're gonna hide into something, and I would recommend a really nice pot. If you want to make it look as authentic as possible, you can actually stick it in some dirt and go from there. But a nice pot will elevate your artificial plant and make it look more real. Now it needs a little work, but this is what you get to start. And all of these pieces have wire mesh inside them, so you can really manipulate them and turn them into something more authentic. So let me get a pot and let's see how nice I can make this look. So I have this beautiful pot and I have this piece of styrofoam from something else I got. So I'm just gonna stick the styrofoam in and that'll be my base. And then that's something I can cover with moss, or I could just fill this with dirt and make it look more legit. Take off the tag, stick it on in, and that's how it starts. Now it's time to make it look more real. Now when I start working on it, a lot of the leaves are facing the wrong direction. They're facing upwards. So I'm just twisting and bending them down. And that is an impressively large Boston fern. It actually looks pretty good, especially from a distance. From a distance, it looks great. And if you had these throughout your space and we're just looking for some good ambiance, so cool. However, when you get close up, you can see that it's fake, so know that. So let's go in. And I will show you more closely that each of these strands, you can actually see the cut marks between each piece. It really was just one solid piece that was cut down. So that can look a little fake, but as long as you squish it up, you can make it look a lot more real and kind of twist those in. But even though I did only a very quick manipulation of it, it's already looking pretty good. So measuring it, I am looking at a little more than 3 feet across, maybe even 3.5 feet across if I really spread it out. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure that it fits your space really well. And on height, I do have it in that pot, so that is giving it some extra height, but I'm looking at about 2.5 feet tall. I can't believe I got 2 of these because they are so big, but they are quite impressive. They do look good. I do love how easy it is to manipulate the leaves. And I can tell you right now that I could make this look a lot better, but it will take some time. That is one thing with artificial plants, is it takes a lot more time to manipulate it to make it look as real as possible. And then you definitely want to have a good pot and make sure to do a better job than I have putting something fake underneath it. You want to put in dirt or some sort of moss. It can be real moss, like reindeer moss, a treated moss that will make it look way more natural. But overall, that is the Boston fern, and if you are looking to add some greenery in your home and improve the ambiance without having another thing to be responsible for, this is a great way to do it.